I'm Dr. Vijayalakshmi, working as an associate professor in the Department of Basic Science in Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram.
In my earlier video on reading skill, I shared some of the tips for developing general reading skill. In this video, the focus is on identifying the central idea while reading a short or simple text. The main points discussed in this presentation are: what is a central idea in a short or simple text? How do you understand the central idea? How do you identify the central idea? And some of the examples. Central idea is also known as main idea or theme. The central idea in a piece of writing is the point that the author wants to remember most. Some writers may state the main idea, but it is often implied, which means the reader has to make inferences about it. Inference means what the text says plus what you know. Just like the theme in fiction, the central idea is not a topic or phrase, it is a complete sentence. The central idea can be found in three places: at the beginning of the text or at the end of the text. And sometimes it is not stated but implied through most of the sentences. Some of the key points for understanding the central idea of a short or simple text are: reading carefully, summarizing the text, answering the WH questions, and looking for repetitions. A careful reading of any text is very significant to locate its central idea. The first and last paragraphs of any text are very important for identification of central idea, and these must be read with extra care. If the central idea cannot be directly identified by reading a text, then summarizing the whole text will help. Try to make the summary as short as possible, consisting of 4 sentences. Ask yourself all the WH questions such as what, when, why, where, and how about the content, and answer them in your own words. Combining all your answers will help a lot in determining the main idea of the content. As the main idea is an important part of any content, the writer does use it several times in the content. Try to locate the idea being repeated and use the repeated idea to determine the central idea of the content. Some steps to determine the central idea of a short or simple text are: basic text features, text structure, supporting details, and thesis statement. First one is basic text features. Heading and subheadings come under basic text features. Sometimes one of the central ideas of a text will be conveyed in the heading of a passage. Other central ideas will be conveyed in the subheadings. Second one is text structure. Transition words show you the text structure. Text structure helps indicate the writer's purpose. You need to ask some of the questions for yourselves. Does the passage discuss a person or a group of people? Does the information contain a reference to time? Does the text name a place? Do you find a reason or explanation for something that happened? Does the information indicate a method or a theory, etc.? Third one is about ignored supporting details. Central ideas are general topics stated in a word or two. Do not look at very specific details found in body paragraphs of the text. These ideas are too specific to be what the entire article is about. Instead, those details support the central ideas of the text. And the last one is thesis statement. Introduction and conclusion paragraphs often have a thesis statement, which is the central idea of a sentence that shows what the entire passage is about. However, some articles do not contain specific thesis statements because the central idea is something you should infer. Look at this example text and identify the central idea. It is often said that lightning never strikes twice in the same place, but this isn't true. Go ask the forest rangers. Rangers who spend their summers as firefighters will tell you that every thunder shower brings several bolts of lightning to their lookout stations. The first sentence tells what the paragraph is about. The sentences that follow support the idea stated in the first sentence. Look at the example 2 and identify the central idea in the given short text. Costs were low that year and the output high. There was a good person for each job and the market remained firm. There were no losers from fire. All in all, it was the best years in the history of the company. Central idea is there at the end of the text. The first three sentences give details to explain why it was the best year in the company's history. Look at the example 3 and identify the central idea. There are great numbers of deer around here. This whole area is great country for hunters and fishermen. There are bears, mountain lions, and coyotes. To the east, there are streams full of trout and there are ducks and geese. The author begins and ends with examples. The main idea is stated in the second sentence, that is, this whole area is great country for hunters and fishermen. Look at the example 4 and identify the central idea. Advertising affects our lives every day. Brand names are common household words. We start each day using the toothpaste, soap, and breakfast foods promoted by advertisers. Ads have made the cars we drive signs of our success. Our choices of food, dress, and entertainment are swayed by ads. Not one aspect of American life is untouched by advertising. Here, the central idea is stated at the beginning of the paragraph and then restated at the end. That is, advertising affects our lives every day. Not one aspect of American life is untouched by advertising. Look at the example 5 and identify the central idea of the text. Do you wear glasses? Make sure your glasses fit well. The earpieces should be at eye level. Don't try to adjust the earpieces yourself. Take your glasses for adjustments to the place you bought them. Keep your glasses in a case when you are not wearing them. This will prevent scratches. Keep the lenses clean. A soft cloth is best for cleaning. In this text, the central idea is implied. All the sentences in the paragraph give details about a central idea. In this paragraph, the implied central idea is that taking care of your glasses involves many steps. I hope you understand how to identify and determine the central idea of a short or simple text.
Thank you. If you like my videos, don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe my channel Vishnu English Professor.